I'm Ann Makovic at the live news desk with breaking news. San Francisco just moved into the state's yellow tier of coronavirus restrictions. Let's take a look at the map that was just updated within the last 15 minutes or so. San Francisco, the first Bay Area county to make it into the yellow tier in 2021. It looks like Marin County just missed the cut. All others are in the orange tier, except for Solano County there. That is in the red, the second most restrictive tier. Taking a live look at the city of San Francisco right now, which hasn't been in the yellow tier since last October. The city hasn't yet finalized the exact health order, and San Francisco does typically allow a bit less than the state does in the various tiers, but we're looking at least 50% capacity in most buildings and bars finally opening indoors. As of Friday, the mask mandate will be fully relaxed for people who are vaccinated outdoors. Indoor bars and wineries may open to 25% capacity. The 3 household table limit on indoor dining will be lifted, and up to 8 people could be allowed per table. Indoor facilities like gyms, libraries, movie theaters, playgrounds, and offices may reopen to 50% capacity. Now, Governor Newsom announced last month, you may remember, the state will fully reopen its economy on June 15th and dissolve the entire tier system.